Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU GS watch and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and we can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see the screen brightness icon, the one that looks like a sun. To adjust the brightness, simply tap on this icon. This should bring you to this menu. And now we can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. Like this. Adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done, you can press the side button to go back. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.